morning to all. Myself Disha Mohanty, and today I could like to say something about drugs abuse. So we all are know that nowadays drugs are available in all the areas, and it is not surprising that the way drugs users have continuously increased from year to year, and it is very dangerous to our families, our friends, and our neighbors. Drugs such as substance to change the way of our body and mind work. It is a problem, and we all know that how bad it is. So, if we started a war on drugs as a divided nation, then we lost it. So, when we started the war as a united nation, then nothing had about this but a handful and useless chemicals. So we have the victory over the drugs and chemicals. So we had lots of time and hard work and need your help. So we will win. Thank you.
Refined in the auspicious state world. I am Aditya Rajrana of class 9th. I am here to experience my views on the topic International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed on 26th of June. This day is annually observed in the whole world since 1989. Drug abuse does not only mean using the drug such as cocaine and cannabis etc. but also prescription medication such as painkillers, sleeping pills and tranquilizers. Use of drugs, alcohol can cause havoc physically and mentally. This day is also known as Anti-Drug Day. This day is celebrated to raise the awareness between the drug abuse. Many lectures, seminars, speeches are arranged in all over the countries to understand the peoples about drug abuse. This day aims to attain the global support to get rid of drug abuse from all the world. The theme for the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2021 is only to share facts about the drugs and save lives of the peoples in whole the world. The World Drug Report is prepared every year, which provides data about the total drug supply, health issue and drug use disorder. India has enforced certain rules and laws to tackle the issue of drug abuse and its traffickings. On this day, we should spread information about drug abuse and save the lives of the peoples which are suffered from the drugs. At last, I want to say some few lines, and they are: anyone can give up. It is the easiest thing in the world. Hold it together when everyone would accept you to fall apart. Now, that is the true strength. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is K. Gulpreet from Mount Literacy School, Class 9. Today I am going to present a speech on a topic which is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is also known as World Drug Day. It is celebrated annually on June 26. The theme of World Drug Day is Better Knowledge for Better Care. Better knowledge for better care emphasizes the need of understanding the word drug, which helps the international cooperation for countering its impact on health, governance and security. The day is dedicated to eradicating drug abuse and neutralize the systematic challenges which sustain the illegal drug issue. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is used as a day to simulate a sense of responsibility among people around the earth, especially youngsters and teenagers. The events are organized in school, public places, parks, etc. to spread the awareness of dangerous issues of drugs. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Anshana Patra of Standard 9. I would like to say something about International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illegal Drug Trading. It is observed on 26th of June annually since 1989. Well, the date 26th of June is to commemorate Lin Zexu's dismantling on opium trade just before the First Opium War in China on 25th of June 1839. The observance was instituted by the General Assembly Resolution 42 by 112 of 7 December 1987. On 26th of June 1987, two important texts were adopted by the International Conference on Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which was held on Vienna during 17 to 26th of June 1987. Then the assembly thought, there must be a day which would be as observing as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. So, two dates were actually suggested, 17 and 26. Then the assembly finally made a decision of celebrating it on 26th of June every year. Well, drugs are big deals nowadays. They are severe problems to the humanity. Well, if you just look at the world record of 2007, UN's world drug record of illicit trafficking, then if we just look at the value, it's a huge sum. The value adds up to $322 billion a year to illicit trafficking. Well, the person who just is addicted to drugs can't help himself anymore. The person who consumes drugs, even if he wants to quit it, he just can't, because drugs make him so addicted that he craves for drugs. He just can't live without it anymore. We all know that little droplets only make huge ocean, such that only casual uses of drugs only lead to big addiction. People just intake drugs by smoking, then inhalation and injection, and many more. And they just invite incurable diseases in their bodies, which can even kill them. To spread awareness amongst the society, people conduct different rallies, campaign, and then poster designing and many more things.